In the dashboard I'm using, I got a tab with different search widgets showing me my recent files, my documents, and the files that are released. Your most favorite searches in the same window, always updated. Now, how do we do that? Let me show you how. Finding the right content on the platform is easy, and you got plenty of tools to help you with that. One thing that I like to do is to have a couple of predefined searches on my dashboard. It helps me to find the right content quickly and easily. And this is really easy to set up. So first of all, we will create a new tab in our dashboard. Let's call it a meaningful name. And then we just search for something. And in the search result window, which will come up shortly, I will find a little button that lets me stick this search result to my dashboard. It's called Pin to Dashboard. I will choose my tab and the dashboard, and it will look like this. So this is the search I just made. I can add another one. Let's add another one for documents. So same way, and let's add the last one, which is supposed to be the released parts on our platform. So pin to dashboard, and then a new widget shows up like this. So if I click on a widget, I can filter this widget further. So if I want to, so it still contains the results for the parts, but I can now filter on the released parts like that. And I can choose the viewing mode for each search result. If I want to see thumbnails, for instance, I can do that. If I want to see just a list of files, I can do that. So the search result will be updated when you go back to the same tab. If you want to trigger an update manually, you can do that as well. You have to go to the settings button and then do a refresh on that widget. Like that. This is a perfect example on how you can customize a dashboard to suit your particular need in the project you are working on. I hope that was useful. See you next time.